Christmas can mean different things to different people. For many people, it means eating a lot, spending time with family, and visiting relatives and friends. For children, it often means presents, presents, and more presents. It's very common to send Christmas cards to friends, family, colleagues, classmates, and neighbors in the weeks before December 25th. Christmas is traditionally a time for helping other people and giving money to charities. Many people send charity cards, where a percentage of the price of each card goes to charity. People send fewer cards than in the past. These days, many people send Christmas greetings by email or via Facebook. Christmas presents are reserved for close friends and family. The custom of giving Christmas gifts comes from the story of the three wise men who gave gifts to the baby Jesus. Popular presents for young people in recent years include a smartphone, a PlayStation, and 80s retro fashion.